Okay, we have a NQ short on Nasdaq, trading 325K accounts simultaneously. Would love to beat it in one trade. We'll see what happens. We have a high of 18,701. So let's go 850. 850 is my stop. And I'm going to be looking for a retracement back to 1862.50, 1862.2, 50-ish limit. Would love to get a tiny pullback to add to the position. Measure that. That would be roughly 230. Calculator. 230. A little short. Okay. See if we can get a decent pullback so I can add to this position. But like a small pullback Nasdaq, not don't fuck me up in this trade. It's just a that's not bad. That's not terrible. See what it does. All right, let's take it.
Order filled.
Add another stop right there. And another limit right there. Yeah. Moment of truth. Let's see what the fuck happens. I'm not in a losing fucking mood. So now I'm just gonna, it's in God's hands. I guess I should have been a little bit more patient for a better pullback, huh? Oh, that should be 850. That's okay. I got it right. I covered it. All right, I'm in a bit of an impatient mood, but yeah, hopefully this goes well. Because I want to be done trading today. I'm too hyper to be sitting at a screen right now. So let's see. Come on, Nasdaq. Give me what I need. All right, so for anybody watching unfamiliar with Tradovate, the this is the position. I'm trading with 3 separate Apex eval accounts right now, so it reflects the entirety of the position size that I am currently holding. So I'm in each of the trades with 2 NQ contracts, and there's 3 separate trades. So that's why you see a position of 6 NQ contracts right there. The number here reflects the total unrealized P&L while the trades are actively open. I mean, that's pretty, this line up here represents my stop loss, and this represents where I entered the trade. Oh my God, added to this position way too soon. I don't think this is gonna, this might be a really short trade. Yeah, and then this line right here represents where my limit order is at this time. That's pretty much everything. Here's your our ticker symbol. This is reflecting the last price, the bid, the ask, and I think that's pretty much everything. Why did I take this trade? I took the trade because I primarily trade order blocks, and we were inside of a nice Fibonacci retracement level inside of an order block. So, but as you can see, we just broke this high right there. So we'll just have to see. Is it going to break down and go in my favor, or is it just going to blast up and hit my stop, knock me out of this trade, and yeah, all that. We wait. Obviously right now it's showing way more strength than I would prefer. To the upside, that is. I'd probably say, like, if this is a green candle, like this, it's probably not a good trade. We got 2 minutes and 30 seconds on this current candle in the 3-minute time frame. One minute, 25 seconds left on this candle. Minute left. We'll see how the candle closes. Oh my God. Thirty seconds. Fuck, looks like we have a green candle. Looking at this, it's almost like, do we have a double bottom, or it looks more like a double bottom than it does like a double top, which if it's a double bottom, that was potentially kind of like a pullback to the neckline, which is kind of what that is. Fudge. Yeah, that does look like more like a double bottom than a double top. I'm like, okay, so maybe we have a double bottom. I don't really like trade shapes, right? So, you know what I mean? I'm like, do I want to get out, save a few $100s from the potential loss if that is in fact a double bottom that's looking like it wants to just blast off? But I'm like, you know, my entry is more so based on market structure, liquidity. You know what I mean? So it's like, what do I want to trade against right now? I definitely would prefer, I would trust market structure and rules to liquidity over shapes. But then there's the element of timing as well, right? Like, is my timing correct? So I don't know. It's feeling bully, but like I don't want to trade against liquidity and market structure. All right, I'm gonna adjust right here. And the basis, the reasoning for that is I've like, I guess, two particular, like, basically I'm moving my stop 10 points away from the swing high from, that my entry was based on. Yeah, this is looking pretty bully right here. Tiny little gap up, filling the gap. Yeah, we're fucking bully. This shit is not making me happy right now. However, I consider my trades to pretty much be invalidated if they hit my stop. So as hopeless as it looks right now, I'm going to hold on to my initial premise, and if it hits my stop, then that's when I'll say, all right, invalidated based on my strategy, rules, and the way that the market is played out. Very somber moment here in the trade. All right, let's see if we can get back inside of this premium level here and continue pushing down. Chances are not extremely high, but obviously the signals are starting to look a lot better than they did 6 minutes ago. Time is it? It is 12:30 New York time. Not typically the best time to be in a trade, but sometimes the markets do their thing. When people are away at lunch, presumably. All right, we got a minute 28 seconds left on this candle. Doing a little bounce off of the 3-minute 20 moving average. Hate it. Minute 5 left on the 3-minute candle. Okay, so if this candle closes red, 45 seconds left on the 3-minute candle. If it does close red, then I'm probably going to adjust my stop to be 10 points from this swing high. 22 seconds left on this candle. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. 5 seconds left on the candle. Oh, all right. We're gonna adjust 1750, I think I said. So that'll be the stop and the stop. Can't remember if I hit that twice or not. Limit. Limit.
Order filled.
chill. All right, see if we can get through the average entry point there. Hesitation, but slight push through. Well, we'll see. I don't think that we have any like major opposition until about 18,622. I could be wrong. I'm hoping that everything in between here and that point is just a small speed bump. We do have the 50 moving average to contend with. Whether or not you are into moving averages, it's just an objective fact that we get a lot of bounces off of the 50 moving average. I'm obviously looking to see this trade push beyond the 50 moving average. But we'll see. About a minute 20 left on this candle. So our 3-minute 50 moving average is sitting about right here where you see the horizontal line from my cursor. So that's like the next area that I'm just really paying attention to see how we're responding in that particular area. We have a fair value gap right here. Small one, but fair value gap nonetheless. So it's obviously a void. The market is going to be attracted to that like a magnet until it fills that. Sometimes we get quick fills and then it's back on its way, and sometimes it likes to hang around fair value gaps for quite some time. And sometimes fair value gaps just fail altogether. So this is our 3-minute 50 moving average, which is sitting about right here. And this is our 5-minute 50 moving average. So like obviously like the best fair value gaps are the ones that like get pulled back into and then they just reject back in the direction it was going in like really fast. And the ones that stay inside of the actual fair value gap, but that is like honestly like it's rare. I just I would say, I mean, I don't know the exact statistics, but if I had to, I would say maybe somewhere around like 50-50. Like sometimes they damn near run the entirety of the formation of the fair value gap. So just meaning like the three candles that make the fair value gap. I mean, like sometimes it damn near runs that, which that pisses me off, like sitting in those particular trades. So I don't like that it's pulled beyond the fair value gap, but it's just not uncommon for it to happen. But also what could potentially be happening is there's also the 20 moving average. It also kind of looks like it could be like bouncing off of that. So hopefully not. I hope it respects its fair value gap and we can continue moving back down. Trying to remain patient, trying. Seconds left on the 3-minute candle. almost kind of looking like a Head and Shoulders forming. All right, well, let's see. Let's see if we can get below this fair value gap. God, maybe I should be a momentum trader. All right, we're approaching the 50 moving average in the 3 minute. It's not that crazy to get like a little bit of a bounce around here or here as well. I mean, best case scenario would be that we're just so bearish that we just like plummet right through. But yeah. All right, there's the 50 moving average on the 5 minute. And we're just looking for 4,500 profit here.
Order rejected.
God, that scared the shit out of me. Okay, let's get rid of these stop losses so that I can apply this stop loss. God, that scared me. Alright, so we did indeed get a little bit of a bounce on the 50 moving average. God, that order rejected, that fucked me all up just now. Alright, I'm a little discombobulated, a little shaken here, but alright. Alright, let's see what happens.